Hello everyone, this is Sandian for Hanja Bible for Chinese characters learners and Korean Hanja learners. Uh, this time we are looking at another mysterious character. Yeah, this one. Slash dog fu. Yeah, it means movement of in among yin and yang, in between yin and yang. On the index of the book, we are here. The number 5 character. In Korean language, pichil bul, pine bull. Slash dog fu. Please don't hurry. We just started our journey to uh, the 4,000 characters or even more. Okay? Yeah, this character is just one stroke. It's one of the radicals. It came from the dot, the first character, meaning, hidden meaning, sky. Okay, mathematically, this character has been made through this dot. Hidden meaning was you have learned the sky. It's a dot. Okay, so the Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified are all same. In Korean language, pichilbul, pinebul. In English, it's a slash dog. The Chinese pronunciation is fu. Yeah, you may have learned this character from the shape. This character is the shape of stretching or spreading or slashing a line from top left to bottom right. You may wish to remember this character through this shape, right? No problem. But I would suggest another method of remembrance, symbolic interpretation and signatory interpretation or analysis. So in this sense, this character is the meaning or shape of a slash with the upper part of head dug or broken, like being wounded. Very mysterious character. Can you imagine? This character is shaped like this. The upper part of this character and then like this. The upper part, why Korean ancestors has taught us this is a dug or broken, particularly in the head. But this character is just one stroke. That's why I call this character mysterious. Okay? Not two strokes, one stroke. The opposite shape of pie, yeah, you just learned. So let's look at the dictionary meaning. It's slash, obliquely, slashed, stretch, spread, to be dug or already dug, injured, wounded, broken, particularly in the head part. Okay? Very mysterious. But please remember, this is one stroke radical. The hidden meaning is very, very important. Please try to remember the hidden meanings. Hidden meanings of this character is negative movement of yin among yin and yang. Yeah, this character in the hidden meanings, do you remember? This is yang, not yin. This character means finally in. Yeah, in. This is one of the characters of the principle of creation, of the universe, of whatever. And another hidden meaning is to take out one or something from. The hidden meanings of this character was to add. Okay? So the opposite meaning of this character, minus. So to take out one or something from and throw off. To be against. To be against the sky, God, something like that. Or to add of negative energy for something or against something. In total meanings of hidden meanings, it is used as an opposite meaning of 피해. Yeah. So please try to remember the hidden meanings. Hidden meanings. In addition to the dictionary meanings. Because we are going to use those dictionary meanings and hidden meanings in the interpretation of so many complicated Chinese characters, which has been originated from Korean Hanja. Okay? So the next issue is why this character has tone number 2 value. A man of his head dark, broken or wounded, just looks upwards and prays to God. So tone number 2. Please imagine if you are wounded in your head, you have to pray to God not to die. Okay? And in the opposite case, some other people desperately betrayed and so fight against the God and sky. So tone number 2. So please refer to the another lecture of the tone number principles for tone number 2. Yeah, thinking of God's will and pray to Him, and facing or fighting against God. So in this way, we can remember this character has the specific value of tone number 2. What do you think about this? A totally different approach to the Chinese language and characters, including Korean Hanja. Okay, thank you very much for your listening and see you next time.